Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the phone dialer and let's tap on this three dot icon. Here let's click on block numbers, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist and we've got only one number added to it. If you want to add a new one, simply click on add a number, and here you can manually type the number you want to block. If you are ready, click on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist, and it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, simply tap on this X button right next to it. Let's click on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your ALCATEL One X. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.